a dime in your pocket, and your job just went overseas. The credit card company's calling you, killing you like a disease. Well, you're not really sure when it happened. It was all a great big surprise. Welcome to the best country that money can buy. Carry on, boast of our integrity, but you know we can't live without it, for without it we surely would die. The addiction of the best country that money can buy. So to all you American dreamers scattered across the land, it's time to find our voices. It's time to make a stand, to take back what's rightfully ours, to reclaim the American dream, to bring back the country that everyone wanted to be, to reclaim the country everyone wanted to be.